Yeah, today we're going to show you the experiment of exothermic welding powder. So before that, I would like to show you some of the very tragic and very desperate moment which sent by our customer. So this is the American New York building here. The skyscraper got shocked by the lightning. It's very tragic. And this one is the Japan temple. It got shocked by the lightning and then caught fire. So it's very dangerous. So our company, our job is to provide you the most qualified and best quality copper bonded steel. And meanwhile, the exothermic welding powder is very essential too, because you see, actually, normally the copper material, it won't go wrong. But the exothermic welding powder, right? It has a lot of different kind of quality. So this powders are produced by our company. We have this type is very traditional. We have this red lid and also the gray lid. So these two are available. So just choose different colors as you like. Yeah, we also have the numbers at the bottom. So you will make sure you will not choose the wrong one. And actually, I want to introduce you this one. This is called EPLUS. It's kind of electric ignition way of the powder. So it's very simple. So later, the Mr. He will show you how to operate. It's very simple and very quick reaction. Beautiful, right? The very golden color. We also have the number on it. Yeah, by the laser marked on it. And this is used to connect with the electric igniter. Oh, and one thing I want to mention is this booklet. Actually, this one is called Chinese Exothermic Welding Standard. And it's published by Chinese Power Institution. And our company, we are the chief writer over there. We are the chief writer for this. So there are two chief writer for this standard. We are one of them. And another one is Chinese Science Institution. So that's another reason why do I want you to choose our exothermic welding powder. So we are powerful. We are very so energetic enterprise for you to just choose the right powder and the right copper bonded steel. Okay, we're about to start the experiment. So do you know why? Do I want to show you this experiment? Do you know why? So here, let me show you two pictures. The first one is, well, the mold get exploded. So do you know the reason? So the most big reason might because the vapor is not clear enough. The water on the mold is not clear enough. So caused the mold exploded. It's very dangerous, right? And the second one is about the inside, the copper just sprayed out. It's also very dangerous. So that's the reason why I want to show you, and I want to show you the right operations to the mold and also to the powders. Hi, friend, do you have any questions or anything you want to say? You can just leave at the comments. We have sales to just solve all the questions for you. Oh, sorry, I didn't see your message. Can you show full monitor? Sorry. Is the monitor clear enough? Do you mean you want to move the camera a little bit back? Do you mean this? Oh, okay. So now, is it better? I hope it's better. Yeah. Oh, thank you. Thank you. My English is good, but not good enough. So sometimes I will get stuck. Sorry. Oh, I see. I see. So you can't see uh the pictures from the left side. Okay. Here, I will just take away all my papers. Oh, when the Mr. He is preparing all the, the powders and also the tools, I want to show you this picture. You see everything? Actually, why you can choose our company? Do you know why? Except for the quality. And I want to show you some of the major projects we've already participated in the past 20 years. Our company, we started from 2002, so we already existed in this world for more than 20 years. So here, we've now cooperated with a lot of great enterprise and great government institution like the State Grid of China and also the Saudi electricity company and also Huawei and also Power China, Sinopec of China, and also some major projects in Ecuador, right? Ecuador, yeah, hydropower station. Yeah, this is another project we participate between the year 2012 to 2017. Yeah, we bury all the grounding material down at the station. And this one is some of the, here, this one, China and Kuwait refining pro Fujian Gulei refining, just some refining center. We bury all the ground material down on the earth. And here, some stations and the hydropower stations, and also the rail, China rail, and also some, the communication center or some other major buildings. Okay, so here's the time I want to call the Mr. He and show you the two welding powders reactions. Preheat the mold and also the conductors, right? Now let's put the two conductors in the right position. You have to leave a space. If you don't leave the space between two conductors, well, you will not get a very perfect joint, right? Okay, so next step, this is our traditional type of the welding powder. It's very common in your country, right? But we've got the UL, IEE, IEC, and the ROSE and CE certificate. So if you want to use it for the government projects and also some major projects, it's very useful. It's very, if you want to compete this with some major brands, well, that's it. You can use our brand to compete with all the major brands. That's the usage of our powder, actually. Okay, the metal disc, of course, you have to put in first. Otherwise, you will not do the reaction perfectly or correctly. Now it's time to open the welding powder. Here's a little small design. Some customer asked me, why do we put the starting powder into the bag instead of put them in the lid or some plastic box? Actually, this special design is to prevent any water or let's say any water comes in it. Yeah, we will keep it from any dam station during the long shipping. Okay, let Mr. He put the starting powder into the mold. Okay, friends, watch here right now. You have to leave paths from the center to the lip of the mold. Yeah, right. Yeah, you put some starting powder on the lip of the mold. So that's here. You have to put some powder over there, and here, leave a pass. Okay, let's start. Use a flint gun. Well, you don't have to stay far away from it because the jet distance is quite close. It's like no more than 80 centimeters, right? So this product is actually very safe. Okay, let's open this. Yeah, you have to just make sure there's no light at all. Then you can just open the mold. Okay, use the hammer to hammer out the residuals. You get a perfect joint here. No any furs, perfect. Did you see everything? Yeah, if you use a chainsaw or hacksaw to just cut them in half. Actually, I want to show you this. I want to show you this. Wait a minute. Sorry. Okay, wait a minute. If you use a chainsaw or hacksaw to cut them in half, you will get very perfect cross side of the joint. Here, we have no air bubbles at all. No air bubbles. Here, very beautiful joint. This joint we actually already cut for a long time, like for months. So actually it's not very beautiful. Next time I will show you the joint we just cut for a few minutes next time, okay? So sorry, this time we didn't prepare them. We only prepared 2 joints we cut like last few months or weeks, but it's clear enough, right? No air bubbles at all. Okay, Mr. He, he's cleaning the mold and we will start the second experiment, which is the EPLUS. It's kind of like the star product of our company. It's like a very beautiful and a gorgeous lady. It represents our future of our enterprise. So hi friends, do you want to sell this one in your market? Of course, if you don't want, then we have this traditional type. If you want, we have the EPLUS type. Hi friends, do you have any suggestions or any questions? You can just leave your comments. And if you have anything you want to check, you want to say, you can just write the information to, write the messages to us. Okay, now. Hey, this one. And to see the design of the EPLUS is very beautiful, right? Very simplified and very fashionable design. Definitely you can use it for your future, like at least for 10 years. It's very fashionable design and very simple. And we also have the foam box. Do you see? So it's very easy for you to transport. You don't have to put a lot of foam, extra foam into the box, into the cartons or the containers, right? So we have the foam box. Yeah, we have already sold it for you. Here, one box, we have 10 EPLUS over there. Let's start. This one gonna be so much easier. So you have to put all your tensions over there. It's so much quicker than the traditional way. So you have to put all your tensions over there. So this is our igniter, which is electronic way of the ignition. You can customize the lines, or actually, yeah, as long as you like, yeah, like 1.5 meter long or 2 meter long. Okay, this is a protection cover. You can use it or not. It's not a big deal. I don't actually need to stay away from it because it's going to be very, very safe. Okay, all you need to do is to press the button. Here, Yeah, he's showing you to press the button, 2 buttons. Wow, done. That's all. That's all. It's like no more than 2 seconds, right? Okay, let's open the mold and compare the 2 joints, say if there are any difference. And it has very less residuals. Beautiful, beautiful joint. Let me show you this one, beautiful. Yeah, no any residuals on the joint. Beautiful. So actually the 2 joints, they're pretty much the same. Doesn't have a lot of differences. But the biggest difference is the operation, actually, right? The EPLUS is much quicker and much safer, but the traditional type is also very, very perfect. I just want to show you the different operation. Maybe in the future you can sell EPLUS, but for now, maybe at this moment, we can also sell this one. This represents now, this represents the future. Okay, friends, done. If you have any questions, you can ask us right now. This one is Engineer He, and we next time can also introduce you Engineer Chen. Okay, right now, let me take you around over our experiment center. This is just a room for some experiments. Over there, just an experiment center. Hi friends, if you come to our factory, we will show you around. And hi friends, do you have any plans to order the powders or whatever, the grinding material? This board can send you for free. If you have orders, yeah, we can apply for a free board for you. You just put them in your company, yeah, for better selling. EPLUS come in multiple size. Yes. So this size we're using right now is size 90. Yeah, this one is 90. We have all the sizes from 45 to 300 grams. Oh, sorry, maybe not 300 grams. You have to ask for our sales. Here, this one is 150. 15. Yeah, this one is 115. We have all the size. Whatever the traditional have, we EPLUS have all of them. And this experiment center is for doing the copper bonded steel experiments. You know, bend them or to do some electricity flow through them. Yeah, we have some major experiment devices. And these are very familiar, right? Okay, friends, actually, how many numbers of joints can be done in single mode if you use other companies' mode? I would say maybe 50 or no more than 50 or the 70 tops. But if you use our mode, I can guarantee you at least 50, sometimes 70. And if you use it in the correct way, maybe 100, maybe, yeah. Here we also have the info on the card. Here over there, 90. Hi friends, do you have any questions? Material mode. I don't know how to spell the word. Can you ask for the sales? I think it's the graphite, sorry. Sorry, I will let our sales to respond this and to answer you this question. Is that okay? Hi, Ashley, are you in there? Or Spencer? Oh, sorry, you can ask for the sales. The cover for the graphite form is your standard product. Do you mean this one? Do you mean this one? No, this one is not. Oh, this one is, but we will not put them every time together with the kit. Yeah, you can choose it. We have this. Yeah, we have this for our standard product, but we do not put it within the mold kit. Yeah, you can ask for this. Okay, say more for refinery project. We have a lot of projects for the refinery. Yeah, you can ask for the sales. We have a PowerPoint. We have a whole list for the refinery project. How much joints are possible in single charging? Joyce and also Mr. Van, she will answer you this question. Yes, Joyce, right. 100 to 200 joints, yes. You can actually buy 2 electric starter. So you can just to do more than 200 joints. Okay. So hi, Joyce, can you contact Mr. His first letter is P. Can you contact him? Yeah, send him more projects of the refinery and show him. Hi friends, our salesman, our sales lady will just contact you after a meeting. So today we're about to close all the meeting and let's expect for next time. Okay, bye bye. See you guys.